The question arises how to remember the difference between baking powder and a baking soda. A novel information coming on Arch and Ocean A&O channel. Baking soda and baking powder are both chemical leavening agents that give height to baked goods through acid-base reactions that release carbon dioxide, but they do so in the slightly different ways. To best understand how to use them, it helps us to grasp what they are. Baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda in the UK and some Commonwealth countries, is pure sodium bicarbonate, an ionic salt with chemical formula NaHCO3. It's naturally alkaline basics with a pH of 8 and that provides the base portion of the acid-base reaction. If you are using baking soda to leaven something, you need to introduce an acid for it to react with, such as vinegar, lemon juice, cream of tartar, or depending on how it proceeds, cocoa powder. If your recipe does not contain any natural occurring acids, it probably calls for baking powder, which provides both baking soda and one more acid for the baking soda to react with. It may seem like a bad idea to store acids and bases in one container, but the acids in baking powder are their crystalline forms and only interact with the baking soda once it sees some water. Almost all baking powder you buy at grocery store is double acting, which just means that there are two acids in the mix, one that reacts immediately when it mixes onto water, wet butter, and one that is later activated by heat from your own. Now for mnemonic, even if you understand the theory behind the two leavening agents and how they work, it can still be hard to keep the names straight in your head. If you grasp the concept but have the trouble with the names, just remember, just remember, just remember, baking soda is solely sodium bicarbonate, while baking powder is perfectly complete, and if all have is baking soda, don't fret, you can make your own complete chemical leavening agent by adding a little cream of tartar. Thank you for watching A&O channel. Contact for offline, online, seniors, juniors, Oxford and Cambridge. Competition exams like PSC, FPSC, NTS, MDCAT, CAS, and more specifically psychology subject specialist for all classes, all levels, offline and online, tuitions and guidance, assignment and quizzes. Feel free to contact on our email address aandoacademy@gmail.com. Waiting for your response.